Model, 2016 Ford Tourneo Custom 2.0TD 130PS 310 Zetec L1. Body, silver, minibus. Mileage, 341282. MOT, the 6th of June 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest crew van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.